Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as our 2-inch factory lift. We have a 40-20-40 split front bench seat, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines, lane keep assist with departure warning, forward collision alert, our 5.3-liter V8 engine, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock, some storage as well as our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode, transfer case settings, as well as all of our lighting controls and our electronic parking brake. We have a power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system, which is controlled through the bottom controls. Moving to the steering wheel itself, on the left-hand side, we have our cruise settings, as well as our forward collision alert. Can see our wiper controls just up and to the left, shifter on the right hand side behind the steering wheel. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio and then more at the bottom, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer lights as well as OnStar services, and our backup camera with our adaptive and hitch guidelines. You can see we have a home button in the bottom left, as well as below we have our seek buttons, our power on and off, as well as audio control and hands-free. Climate control settings, we have AC as well as front and rear defroster. Push to start ignition. Across the bottom we have our lane keep assist, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and our downhill assist. Some power across the bottom, we have a USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and a 120 volt plug. Moving to our center seat, center console combo, we have storage, 2 cup holders, an openable center console with some more storage. You can see our key in our console as well. We have locks and unlocks, remote start, our power tailgate, and alarm system. If we lift up anywhere on the seat, we can lock it into place for a third front seat. Under seat storage with our handle on the front. You can also see we have a key slot in the bottom. We can close it by simply pulling out on the right hand or the driver's side and going back to our console. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black cloth. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar at the front, dome lights on either side, as well as dome lighting control across the middle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, before our front door we have our Z71 off-road badging. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-terrain tire. You can also see our 2-inch factory lift throughout the vehicle. We have black capped mirrors as well as black finished door handles. Back of the vehicle, our Trail Boss badging as well as our corner bumper step. All the way around at the back, we have Silverado and custom badging in chrome, black trailer tow hitch, a power tailgate with our backup camera. Inside the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, 120 volt plug, as well as cable tie downs in the front and the back, and our black finished bed. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the back of the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. We have our 2 vents in the bottom of our center console center seat combo. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in our jet black cloth. You can fold the seats up by simply pushing up on the bottom to make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.